Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you go.
That's cool.
What's up, y'all? This man happy because he get to go look at some cars today. He get to go look at his cars today. And we gonna go to the car show on Ladies Island by the airport. And then after that, I get some food. So, yeah. But, y'all, we have not done a video in a while.
Alright, so let me tell you why. Let me tell y'all the reason why. So, if you are an editor, then you know my reasoning. Okay, well, I haven't even tell y'all the reason, but you're an editor. Once I tell you, you're gonna understand. We ain't got no space on the laptop to upload shit, so we have to go buy us a hard drive.
Yeah.
So that's why we haven't been uploading shit lately.
Because the majority of the stuff is on the big camera, and I'm just gonna do this on my phone today because he can edit on the phone. So yeah, y'all hear Roxy? Listen. Y'all hear it? Yo, I'm fucking with it, babe. Woo. It's that car you see in action movies.
I think it was in a Fast and Furious movie.
That is beautiful. You know what car that's from? Cars. Oh. Yes. You just walk in front of people. Yeah, I would try the hell out of this. I damn sure would.
Yeah, there are a lot.
That is so cool.
Yo, you're fine. You're fine. No, you're fine. You're fine.
Right hand drive.
That's a $100. Oh, that is pretty. Hey, look at the freaking helmet. Punch bag. White one. This is so pretty. Town truck. Mopar or no car? That might be my favorite.
It's a grease
Last year production, one of 19. Damn. Oh, wow. Paint job. Speedo be rolling.
That's a fat ass whip on that bitch. That's a big ass whip. I swear I will own one of these one day. I swear to God. I will own me a fucking GT400 one day. Huh?
Look at the back sheets on here. Okay. We got long caps.
That's a 4.0 whip on that bitch. That's why that shit's so damn big. Oh my. What year is it? 20. This shit made 1,000. 2020. Oh shit, that bitch landed right there. Yeah, helicopter.
I said,
I don't know who that is. That's the best. This the best car in the lot right here. I ain't gonna hold it.
you said seats?
Oh, the seats, yeah, with the Shelby. Yeah, hell. Look at the gauges on it. It look just like my car, but like you see the difference though. It look just like my car. This is yours?
Yeah.
So beautiful, man.
Isn't the color awesome, man?
Yeah.
That color
Yes.
so beautiful.
Look at the shifter.
Nobody suit that color. Nice meeting
Man,
you.
yeah, man. Beautiful car, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, ping pong.
And GT. The old GT 350 right here. The original 350.
That's what you call a room right there.
Hell yeah.
That's what you call a room.
Let's just see it. Little scat pack, nice little scat pack. What up? What? Oh yeah, the Cobra. Oh shit! Oh, it's the paint job that's ready. Oh, okay then. Yeah. Oh shit! I don't know if the camera gonna pick that up, but y'all
It
see that?
really makes it like it's a real nice car. Like
Yes.
they took Cobra to the next one.
Yeah. This is one of my dream cars here too. Dodge Charger RT. This body. Oh, we got the 440 in that bitch. Oh yeah, this bitch moving. This shit probably got somewhere probably got to disconnect the battery at that bitch. Nice little Camaro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. Nice little Camaro. Let me take that back. Oh shit. Yeah, he got 4 harness on this bitch and everything. With a big ass sticky. Ain't nothing catching my eye till it's like that 500. I ain't gonna hold it. Come on. Everything original on that thing. Got the original keys and everything. Ooh, my God. That thing's beautiful. I think they're going helicopter rides, I think. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, this is the older Shelby. Man, I should have brought my car here. Yeah, cool. See, got a little toy on that. That bit got pro, I'm sorry. That shit got pro charger in that bitch. But I know this shit fast. That bit pro charge.
They paid her. She goes out there and they set him up. She's the only person she buys her insurance.
Where you going?
Which is on this side. I saw a black one earlier.
Hopefully it'll be started as soon So the hard part is getting it to see out behind it.
Alright. Everybody got a whole shift on this shit.
No, because you want to play.
Yeah. No, I want to actually. Why is
Oh my gosh. Babe. Check out that gift shift.
See, that shit down so.
And look at the inside. They got the freaking, they got the wrap and match on the inside. This is, yeah. This one looks MB. Turbo. How is it?
Very good.
You ain't even had to use the ketchup.
You got no seasoning. Just ketchup on the hot dog.
Not gonna lie, this one might be my favorite just because I like the detail. But that GT, that Shelby 500 car, that's beautiful.
Yeah, that blue with it.
That's
That blue
beautiful.
with it hit different.
This was nice. I got food.
Bruh.
I want to see how the hell they get in that car. I mean, oh my. What? Oh, and they got them too. Oh no, see, I'd have been, my eyes would have been closed. I'd have been half passed out. I ain't gonna lie.